Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle, the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 8th, 2025. We have here four puzzles. One of them I've already solved. Three stars Sudoku. So three puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and the Four Stars Sudoku. And this will be number 9865. Okay, 9865. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the 4 star Sudoku in the additional has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, naked numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Okay, let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1 1, 2 2s, 5 3s, 1 4, 2 5, 3 5s, 2 6s, 4 7s. Well, 2 8s, and 3 9s. So the 3s and the 7s are a majority. Can I start with the 3? Yes. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, third column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left with 3 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 7s then? 7. 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in this box. 7 in this row, no 7 in these two boxes, so the 7 in this big square. Could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this column. 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. You have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 in the column next, no 7 there. The only place left with 7 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 7. How about 8, 8, 8, 8. 9 in this column. Oh, we have 4 9s. Well. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so last row. Only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only 3 places left for 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 in the third row, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Okay. Then Still cannot continue with the 9. 7. But the 3s. 3, 3. 3, 3. No. 5. No, 5 here. Four missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have 2 and 8 in this row. No 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And sorry, 4 and 5. 4 and 6 is missing here. We have a 5 here. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Well, I hate to split those numbers. Okay. 2, 8, and then 6 here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places level 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and the 8 cannot fill this yet. Let me put those numbers there. In this big square, we need a 2. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above, so that row. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes area with 2. We have a 2 now in the second column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 2. Still, the 3's cannot continue, but the 7's, 7, need 7 here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this second column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left with 7 in this big square. Should be there. Mark those 2 boxes area with 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the third column. And the only 2 places left with the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7's are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 7. 2 numbers left now in this big square. The 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 or 1, 8, we have an 8 now, so this box should be a 1. Then 4. How about need an 8 there. Let me think. Need a 6 there. Okay. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. All right. All right. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in the first row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row. Only place level 6 should be there. 6, 6. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here, give me 6 because we have a 6 in this row. Alright, so we have 6 in this row, 6 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places level 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the fifth column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Need a 6 there, need a 6 there. I need a 3 here. 7 and 9, okay. Then 5 and 4. I need 5s. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 could be 4, we have a 4 here, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And 5 is missing, we have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 1, 5, 4, yeah, 1, 5, 4. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing here. The 8 there, okay. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, 4, 5, 8. Here 2 numbers left in the third row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So here 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Okay. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these two boxes. The 4 goes together with the 6 as a pair. So we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be a 4 anymore. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. We have 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 or 5, we have a 1 here, so this box should be a 5. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between only 3 places left, where 3 should be here, here, or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 in the column next, no 3 there. The only place level 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 3. Alright, 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes and there. 4 and the 6, we have 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes and there. 1 box left now in the last column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. The 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Two missing numbers now in this big square for the number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4 is missing 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the second column, the only place level 4 is should be there. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 now in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for the number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, and 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 1, 1, 1. Correct in 50 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Not a 4, not a 3. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.